I'm Ilya from Bitskout. In this short video I wanted to show you how you can extract data from purchase orders that arrive to a Google Drive using Zapier to a Google Sheets. Now in Zapier, the first thing that we need to create is to create a new Zap, of course, and then choose a trigger. This trigger is called new file in a folder. It means, for example, for this example, when I load the file here into testing files, Zapier will react on that and pass it to Bitskout. So let's set it up. Let's continue, choose our Google Drive account, then choose our Google Drive. Then inside this drive, we need to choose a folder and press continue. And now we need to find our file to run a test. So let me click on this to find new records. And then I will choose my file, which is my PO example, and run a test for it. So next step is to add a Bitskout action. In this case, you will need to use a direct action for Zapier from Bitskout, which is called extract data from purchase orders. You don't need to create any plugins or anything else. Bitskout will do it automatically. So now press continue. You need to choose your account. Press continue. And then here in an action, you need to choose a file exists but not shown from a previous step. Do not choose any other URLs if you're working with Google Drive, because for some reason, sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. Use file exists but not shown. This way, Zapier will prepare everything for Bitskout correctly and pass the file. All right? Do not add any other fields, just make sure that it looks like this. Press continue. And now we need to test this step just to see what we extract. So then you can use data from Bitskout to map it to a Google Sheet. Okay, so the test is now over. We can continue and just create a new step. You can map data to, now you can map data to any other tool. In this case, I will use Google Sheets as an example, but you can map it to Excel or to other tools that you use, like Monday or Asana. Now we need to choose create a spreadsheet draw. Press continue. And now we need to choose our Google Drive where the spreadsheet is stored. Next thing is choosing the spreadsheet itself. And then inside the spreadsheet, we need to choose a worksheet. Okay. And now we need to map the fields. Let's do that. I'm just gonna grab a few fields and map them directly here. Okay. So now everything is ready and the data will appear into this sheet. So let's run a test. Okay, test this step. Now the data will appear. Okay, so now the Zap is ready. You can publish it and it will be running and extracting data from all the files that you load here, their purchase orders, into this Google Drive. And this way you can automate lots of manual work that you are probably doing today. Thanks a lot for your time. If you have any questions, just feel free to ask us via chat in our platform, via email. Thanks a lot.